We begin with a scathing report from the Department of Justice. It found that the Trenton Police Department has a pattern of behaviors that violate people's constitutional rights.
Yeah, that report, the result of a years-long investigation. Action News race and culture reporter Taronda Thomas is following the investigation since the very beginning. She's live outside the Trenton Police Headquarters with the latest today. Taronda.
Well, Brian, this includes looking at things like illegal stops, use of excessive force, and arresting people without a legal basis. Officials with the Department of Justice say it all led to a breakdown of trust with the public.
I'm extremely disappointed, but unfortunately, I'm not surprised.
The president of the Trenton NAACP reacting to a federal investigation into the city's police department, saying what the Department of Justice found is what citizens have been sounding the alarm on for years.
This has been generations of people, Trentonians, who've been suffering under the hand of police misconduct, unnecessary uses of force, and general intimidation.
The DOJ spent a year conducting what's known as a pattern or practice investigation, looking into whether the Trenton Police Department has a pattern of conduct that violates federal law.
The investigation found a pattern or practice of both excessive force as well as unconstitutional stops, searches, and arrests.
Federal authorities also concluded that Trenton police stopped or arrested people without a legal basis and used aggressive tactics that escalated situations quickly.
Escalatory steps were taken before individuals even had an opportunity to respond to commands.
The mayor of Trenton says the city cooperated with the year-long investigation and adds, quote, the city will continue to work cooperatively with the U.S. DOJ to implement the recommendations highlighted in the report as quickly as possible. Those recommendations include changes to policies, training, and supervision.
And the recommendations are to address each of those to remedy this.
As the issues come to light, residents now look for change.
I'm hoping that this can be a catalyst.
Now, we did reach out to Trenton Police. As of right now, they have not responded to our request for comment. The next step for the Department of Justice is to negotiate with the city to try to put those recommendations into place. If the police department does not comply with those recommendations, there could eventually be a civil lawsuit. We're live in Trenton, New Jersey. Taronda Thomas, Channel 6 Action News. Brian?
Okay, Taronda, thank you.